Go.
Hi everybody, good morning. My name is Gilberto Camacho, and today I want to talk about the sancocho dish from Colombia. Colombia is situated in South America, bordered by the Caribbean and the Pacific Ocean. The Andes Mountains run into the country in three lines, south to north. Colombia also has two islands, San Andres and Providencia. Because its geography, in Colombia there are all kinds of climates. It's common to find cold, hot, rain, and snow throughout the year. The word sancocho comes from the Spanish word cocido, with the meaning food for pigs. But in Colombia, it is kind of mix of vegetables and meat cooked at the same time. The sancocho has a base of plantains, yuca, and potatoes. All these cut into big pieces. It also has a little chunks of onions, garlic, and cilantro. All these for the base. The middle choice does vary by regions. The traditional sancocho is made with chicken. However, you can use pork or beef or instead of chicken. It is also permitted to use three meats together. Yeah? In the coast, it's common to find a sancocho made with fish. I prefer chicken, made with chicken. The sancocho is a very popular dish throughout Colombia, and the people say that when made in campfires, it is even more delicious, right? The word sancocho is so popular in the Colombians because it's a noun too. It's common to say, I am prepared like a sancocho, right? It's a very popular dish. No, it's a plate for the holidays. It's a regular food for day is the sancocho. It tends to serve with white rice and avocado slices. It is common to find in the restaurants like as a plate of day, the dish of the day in the restaurants. I think this is my presentation. That's it. I hope you like my history. I don't have you hungry everywhere. Thank you.
Very good.